Monkey, you snoring, baby? Hey, baby. You snoring loud. Oh, I'll let you go back to sleep. I just wanted to film you. Because it was so cute. It was so cute and so loud. Oh, you were so cute, baby. I love you, monkey cat. Thank you for being with me. Sweet baby. This is my baby cat, y'all. I got a bunch of other cats outside, but this is the one I really love the most. She's my faithful companion. She's with me all the time. Sleeps with me and hangs out with me all day, don't you, baby? Alright, I'll let you get a snack. So you can get her some bacon. Thanks for watching.